Creating a ServiceNow ticket is a fundamental process for reporting incidents, requests, or issues within an organization's IT service management system. Here's how to create a ServiceNow ticket. Access ServiceNow platform. Log into the ServiceNow platform using your credentials. Navigate to the incident module. Depending on your organization's setup, locate and select the incident module from the main navigation menu or dashboard. Initiate new incident. Click on the new button or create new option to initiate the creation of a new incident ticket. Provide incident details. Fill in the required fields with information about the incident, including a short description, category, priority level, and any additional details or attachments that may be relevant. Assign and categorize. Assign the incident to the appropriate support group or individual. Categorize the incident accurately to ensure it is routed to the correct team for resolution. Submit the ticket. Once all necessary information is provided, submit the ticket to create it in the ServiceNow system. Review and confirm. Review the ticket details to ensure accuracy and completeness. Confirm the creation of the ticket. Follow up and track. After the ticket is created, monitor its progress, communicate with stakeholders as needed, and track the resolution process until the incident is resolved and closed.